Hi, I'm going to show you how to reuse these coffee bean and tea leaf pods. And I think it'll work for the Starbucks Verismo pods as well. Not totally sure, but I think so. So here's the problem. If you are like me and you shell out the money for one of these coffee bean and tea leaf systems, and you're buying this coffee bean and tea leaf espresso, the reason that you got it in the first place is because you want good coffee. But then you find out you're stuck with these pods with coffee in there that was ground up who knows how many months ago. It tastes bad and it costs 50 cents a pod, which isn't that terrible, but it's kind of terrible for coffee that doesn't even taste good. I might as well go to Starbucks, right? So there are various ways of reusing these things, but everything that I've seen except for one solution, all the other solutions suck. You can buy the tops and replace the tops every time. I saw one person cover it in aluminum foil. It's just kind of a mess and not very good solutions. There is one good solution that I saw, and it is to take two pods and create one. And the way that you do that is you cut off the bottom of one pod and the top of another, and you put the filter in there from the bottom and you stack them. So that's great. The only problem with that is it's kind of difficult to cut all of these to the right shape, and the one downside, of course, is that it takes two pods to make one, but you can reuse these again and again. It's worth it. So here in this video, I want to show you the easy solution of how to cut these to the right shape, the right size. And the way that you're going to do that is you're going to use a stack of coins, one of these safety razors or one of these knives like this, and you're going to create a stack of coins with a cutter on top of it. And of course, in this case, I have taken one of these safety razor blades and cut it, bent it in half and cut off that little top right there, or just bent it off. And yeah, you go ahead and stack these to the right height, and what height you want is right below that little ridge right there. So if this is sitting flat on a surface like this, you want to stack up your coins so that they are sitting just to where the blade that you put on top of them cuts right into the pod, right below that ridge. And I've set one up already. You can see what it looks like. Once you set it up, you want to make sure that it stays there. In my case, I used a vice grip and some tape. And see if I can get it to focus right there. Hang on. We'll get it. There we go. So yeah, this is what it looks like. You're going to bring your pod over and come on, focus. Cut right into the pod and just spin the pod until, and you can't really see that I'm spinning it because it's black, but there we go, focus. Spin the pod until it's cut all the way through, and there you go. So I've got a bunch of these. I've got the tops cut off of these ones, the bottoms cut off of these ones, and I'm going to reuse all of these. You can do that yourself. It's the best solution that I've found, and there you go.